We had an issue with what was produced to Mr. Anderson, witness Mr. Anderson.
A heated courtroom today as Maya Kowalski's attorneys bring up new evidence they say shows hospital-wide issues, including the deaths of 12 patients while Maya was in the hospital. You're watching 10 Tampa Bay at 5:30. I'm Courtney Robinson.
I'm Josh Sidorowitz. Tonight, closing arguments in the case dubbed the Take Care of Maya trial. They are delayed a day due to this last-minute push now for new evidence. 10 Tampa Bay's Adoria Chumba leading us off with the judge's frustration with Johns Hopkins defense team over documents related to a hospital review.
At issue, a review 5 years ago on widespread hospital management problems following the deaths of around a dozen patients at the Heart Institute, for which an immediate jeopardy citation was issued.
I don't care what happened since Wednesday. At the time he testified to this jury, had the defense even provided any of the information that we've been discussing since Wednesday?
May I ask Mr. Shapiro to address that, Your Honor?
Mr. Shapiro, do you want to step into the breach here?
My understanding of his testimony, Your Honor, is that the fact that the hospital was able to operate at that time meant that they had gone through joint accreditation surveys. That was the simple basis of his statement that he volunteered.
Didn't even provide the information.
Attorneys for Maya Kowalski's family say testimony from at least one defense witness made it appear as if all was well at the hospital when Maya was sheltered there, claiming it was misleading to the jury about documented systematic failings at the hospital.
The entire premise of this, that the immediate jeopardy finding was somehow related to the status of the hospital at the time of Maya Kowalski's hospitalization, is simply not true.
The governing body failed to ensure management of the organization. That's how that begins. The interim president accepted the resignations effective immediately from the president, vice dean, the VP chief of staff functioning as lead executive of risk management.
Tonight, the judge allowing another round of plaintiff's rebuttal with evidence related to that report, which included an expert witness who testified to lapses and shortfalls in hospital operations.
There was a lot of team management talked about in how Maya's care was delivered, but I don't recall hearing from anyone that was really playing guardian angel.
In Venice, Adoria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
Closing arguments in the case expected to begin tomorrow morning. The Kowalski family is accusing Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital of false imprisonment, negligence, battery, and for causing Maya's mother to take her own life due to medical child abuse allegations.